Stop. If your Bali visa rejection appeal gets denied, you're burning 15 million rupiah, and here's how TheBaliLawyer fixes it. Here's the problem: 67% of DIY appeals fail because of one missing document. Immigration agents miss the appeal deadline 4 out of 5 times. TheBaliLawyer files your rebuttal in under 48 hours with 0 delays. Imagine you're an expat applying for a KITAS in Bali. Immigration denies you without clear reason. You've already spent 8 million rupiah on the first application. Most people panic and reapply, wasting another 6 million rupiah. This is exactly why TheBaliLawyer exists. A proper appeal in Indonesia requires a formal rebuttal letter, medical records if health was cited, proof of funds, and embassy coordination. Miss one piece and your appeal tanks. TheBaliLawyer handles all of this end-to-end. Most people fail here. They reapply from scratch instead of appealing. An appeal costs 2 to 3 million rupiah. A new application costs 8 to 10 million rupiah and takes 6 more weeks. Do not restart. Every rejected visa in your history gets flagged. Immigration sees a pattern of rejection, not a corrected application. TheBaliLawyer knows the exact rebuttal language and supporting documents that flip denials. Step 2. Gather your rebuttal documents in 48 hours. Immigration will ask for proof of funds, employment letter from your Indonesian sponsor, passport copies, and medical certificates if health was flagged. This takes most people 2 to 3 weeks to chase down. TheBaliLawyer coordinates all of it with your employer and medical clinic in under 2 days. No delays. Step 3. File the formal appeal with Indonesian immigration. This is important. You cannot just email or walk in. You need a formal rebuttal submitted through the correct office with proper Indonesian translation and notarized signatures. Getting this wrong costs you another 3 to 4 weeks. TheBaliLawyer files within 24 hours of receiving your documents, targeting a 14-day response window. Here's the problem: if you miss the 30-day appeal deadline, you lose your right to appeal entirely. 58% of DIY applicants miss this window because they don't know it exists. Immigration won't remind you. You'll discover it only when you try to reapply 6 months later. TheBaliLawyer tracks every deadline and files 10 days early, guaranteeing you stay inside the window. If you're going the DIY route, call the immigration office directly and ask for the rejection letter in English. Request the specific reason code. Indonesian immigration uses coded reasons. Code 5 means income verification, Code 8 means health screening, Code 12 means incomplete documents. Know your code before you write the rebuttal. Address only that reason with fresh evidence. Anything else looks like you didn't listen to their feedback and kills your appeal. Here's the exact opening line for your rebuttal. Dengan hormat, kami mengajukan banding atas keputusan penolakan visa tanggal, date, dengan alasan, reason code. Dokumen berikut membuktikan bahwa, specific requirement, telah dipenuhi. Translate: with respect, we appeal the visa denial dated, date, with reason, code. The following documents prove, requirement, has been met. This format shows you read their rejection and are addressing it directly. Appeal, don't reapply. Save 6 million rupiah and 6 weeks. File within 30 days or lose the right to appeal forever. TheBaliLawyer handles the full appeal in 14 days. Link below. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer for your visa appeal. Visit TheBaliLawyer.com.